How to enable the shelf function found on your OnePlus Nord phone with Android 15 Oxygen OS 15. So let's just say you accidentally turned off the shelf and now you want to get access to it. When you swipe down, you have something else other than the shelf function. So in order to get the shelf to be accessible when you swipe down on the home screen, go ahead and long press a blank area on your home screen and go over to where it says More right here to the bottom right. When you're here now, go down and you'll see swipe down on home screen, and one of the options would be shelf. Once you select this, the swipe down function under the camera area will now access the shelf like this here. And of course, once you access the shelf, you can add more widgets by tapping on the plus, and of course going into the settings here will give you another set of options as well. And once again, if you don't want the shelf from the swipe down like this here, just go back to the swipe down on the home screen settings and switch it to another option. And that's how you would enable it or disable it, like and so.